Bought this for the 24GB memory and SSD drive. It is somewhat pricey but has performed flawlessly so far about a month. I can run 7 or 8 apps without having a memory swapping slowdown, and that is a big improvement over the previous Lenovo laptop with 6GB memory. Super fast, simple, sleek design. Very sturdy and great for my work. My only gripe would be max brightness with the screen, but I blame myself for that. Would have gotten same model with upgraded display. I bought this one specifically for its keyboard. There is no other laptop series with a better keyboard. The computer is fast, slim, and has everything you want. The machine is faster than my older equipment and has much more storage. I really like this laptop and I have been shopping around for a few days. I decided to buy this laptop because of the price and the specs of it. Once I received it, the delivery is really fast in a few days. Everything is in it and I managed to set it up pretty quickly. Everything is expected and I am happy with it. The OEM laptop was apparently bought in bulk, thoroughly tested, and then upgraded beyond the OEM specs by a third-party tech company that added its own warranty to the finished unit. The laptop was delivered very promptly and well packaged, and operated perfectly right out of the box. It still performs flawlessly now, several months later. So what is there not to like? Only the small amount of technical instructions delivered with the unit. But once access was easily gained to the tech manuals and other user aids on the Lenovo website, this proved to be a problem. Would I recommend this purchase to others, or repeat this order? A resounding yes to both questions! Exclamation mark. Fast with no problems. It has all the benefits of my old ThinkPad, but is lighter and never hangs. On days in which I am pulling it out for intermittent work, the battery life is long enough to allow me to use it unplugged. Excelente equipo recomendado 100%. This laptop performs as advertised. It boots fast, and works without lag. I use it for hobby level 3D modeling and it works without any slowing down. I genuinely love the amount of speed on this computer. The level is high, as I like to get my work done and precisely. I am amazed at how quick the startup is as you turn it on. It only takes about 3 seconds, and you enter your password. The view of the computer, it is extensive. The laptop gives a simulation to a desktop. It truly has the features of a desktop, besides to all the beauty of a thin laptop. I can see why this computer is definitely like a desktop. The keyboard is fantastic. It has the number lock on the side just like a regular computer. It also provides a retro look which makes it very attractive. Besides, the laptop is very light in weight, you can carry anywhere. This computer is for the traveler, the blogger, and the business person. I enjoyed the quality, battery life, and quick, easy setup. Click link in description for more reviews.